A lot of people, when they come together or do things with you, my dear, you will see jealous. Why is it that we jealous people, especially people that we are not up to? My dear, someone may be better than you. Maybe she's more beautiful than you. And in somehow, there must be a place where you are better than that person. Jealous is something that comes out from our mind. You can also erase jealous. Erase it. Erase envy. Erase all these things. Why? Don't feel inferior. Come out with the best of you. Do what you feel you can do. There are people that are meant for you. You have those people that love you, people that cherish you, people that will come out and say, yeah, I love what he's doing. That this person married a rich husband and a caring husband, and maybe your own is not as rich as your friend's own, does not mean that you will not be happy on your own marriage. Your happiness is the best. This is what brings quarrel between one another. Can you imagine? A lot of people, maybe because of the way you give, people now jealous you. They think, you have too much, that's why you give. Don't stop doing good. Because whatever you are doing today, one day, you are going to see yourself on top just because of that little favor you have given to someone. My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you're watching us from. This is Love Ada Family TV. In case you're coming across our video for the first time, follow us. Look at what a child has come to tell us. That in the class, she try her best, she read her book, she do everything, but yet her friend is always on top. She don't know what to do. She don't know whether she's jealous, but she feel bad. And I want to tell this child, what do you have to tell her? Don't feel bad because someone is better than you. This will make you to do more, study more, do research more, try your best, read more. It doesn't mean that you must come and become first. But there must be a place where you will take first, and that person may be taking second. Yes. It's just that you have not discovered it. Love everyone equally. Don't hate anyone because God loves all. I want to show people love too, because this will help you to go to greater heights. Today, you see, can you see what Very Dark Man and Bobrisky have been doing? See how everybody follows Very Dark Man. Yes, there are also places that Bobrisky is very good. He's even better than Very Dark Man. But because this is not what we really need right now, that's why people's attention are not there. No wonder how a lot of people also follow Bobrisky. A lot of people also fight Very Dark Man just because they love Bobrisky. So what I'm saying is, depend on yourself, love yourself, be happy for what you have, because tomorrow the greater one will come.